Let me show you how to block someone on Instagram if they already blocked you. The trick is to get to their profile page to be able to block them. I'll show you some options on doing that. Now, first just open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. You have a few different options on here to navigate to their profile to be able to block them. The first way you can do it is tap on the search bar, and we can search for their name. So let's say I blocked myself from my other account. I can just type in my name here. And now I'm going to look for accounts and try to find that account. Sometimes it does show up, sometimes it doesn't. However, if it doesn't, all we need to do is go back to the beginning. And on any post here, we're going to tap on the comment symbol. So tap on comments here. And on the comment, we're going to tag that person that has blocked you. So you need to type in the @ symbol, and then I'm going to type in, again, Trevor Nace or Trevor Nace YouTube. And once I've done that, I can hit send. And now I'll be able to tap on that person's profile, tap on those 3 dots at the top right, hit block, and then block. Now, this works for most people, but it doesn't work for everybody. If you go through these steps and it still doesn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend doing is hopping out of here, opening up a web browser, and you're just going to type in Instagram, and then you're going to type in their username or their name. So I'm going to type in Trevor Nace and hit send. Now you'll be able to see Trevor Nace on Instagram as well as here. Now, what I'm going to do is tap on that, and it will take me directly to that profile. Again, from that profile, you'll be able to tap on those 3 dots at the top right and block them from here.